Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make creamy hearts of palm pasta with real salmon. This recipe is low carb, gluten-free, dairy-free, and is absolutely delicious. Let's get cooking. Let's start by adding some olive oil in the skillet and add my salmon. Season with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna cook each side for 4 minutes and set aside. In the same skillet, I'm adding some olive oil, garlic, parsley, and I'm gonna let it saute for about 1 minute. I'm gonna add some tomatoes and let it cook for 1 more minute. For my sauce, I'm going to add a mixture of 1 cup of almond milk and a half of tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm gonna add to this mixture, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 1 minute, and I'm gonna add some spinach. I'm adding the pasta and cooking everything for about 1 minute. I'm using Simply Nature brand, which is a Aldi private label. For presentation, we're gonna add the pasta and add a little bit more than what you can handle in the plate, so you make like a little pile. And then add some olive oil to give a little taste, some lemon zest, some parsley, and finally, our beautiful salmon. And here is your hearts of palm pasta with grilled salmon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it.